Hi, in this video I will show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So let's create this story. Click on the plus sign on your profile icon and choose the pictures you would like to add to your story. Okay, so I will choose this one. And the next step is for adding these pictures, just click on the sticker icon on top of your screen. And here you have the possibility to choose the photo. Okay. And now you can add the second photo to your story. You can do it multiple times and add more photos. But I recommend to go to your stickers, then cancel, and choose the possibility of frames. If you want to look it little bit better, okay. Okay, so just choose it from the main stickers and choose the frames and choose the pictures you would like to add in the frame. Okay, I will choose this one and okay, done. And this is actually how you can add more photos to your Instagram story in once, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks, bye.